or not, it's still gonna be in my arms, regardless.
What did you do? Fucked up really bad.
Yeah, bro, he fucked this cat up. Threw it against the wall. I don't even want to say it, but really, I know more. Like, it's disgusting.
You don't even know if the cat's alive.
No, he didn't want to show it.
He don't want to show the cat, so he said it's outside. The cops already been there, yeah, but the cops don't do shit. Watch out.
I see how the pigs do it. They don't do shit.
Nah.
That shit is crazy. I was finishing concrete and I just got on. I said, "Oh, that's corny. That's crazy. How you gonna do that to an animal? Fucking weirdo."
I don't even really like cats. Not that I don't like cats. I'm just a dog person. But
I'm gonna bring you right back in.
Go ahead. Go.
I think his brother was.
Taylor's here.
Oh shit! Hold on.
Hey, bro, how y'all finna talk on my bro cat like that? Like,
oh, kick this kid, Drift. This dude is such a fucking clown. He's a fan.
You a bitch.
He's all cat.
Talking on my bro.
Man, eat a dick.
Nice, brother. Add Taylor.
All right.
That kid follows 30 different accounts. Super fan.
Taylor, show the fucking cat, bro. It's gonna get worse.
Damn.
Taylor, I'm gonna bring you a bag of dope, all right, Taylor?
Stop calling the police and making false accusations.
Don't nobody call the cops no more. Nobody call no more cops, please.
What the fuck?
We ain't gonna call the cops no more, Taylor.
Like a fucking kid.
Where's the cat?
Taylor, show the cat, Taylor.
My
Taylor.
cat be honest. He's outside somewhere. I don't know.
All right, show the cat.
Outside somewhere in the fucking
My cat
hole.
fucking ran away, bro. Shut up.
Nah, bullshit ran away.
Taylor, I'm gonna bring you a bag of dope, all right? You don't look too good.
Where the fuck is the cat, Taylor? Show the fucking cat.
And Taylor, you know I'm close too.
Dog, it's gonna get bad for you, guy.
You know I'm close, Taylor.
Cat, they're gonna kill you.
Yeah, the cops ain't do nothing though. The cops ain't do nothing.
Where's the cat,
bro?
Show the fucking cat, Taylor.
Right
be
now.
honest. If you killed the cat, just be honest. What happened to the fucking cat?
Taylor, I'm just being honest. It's gonna make it a lot better if you just show that the cat's alive. Like, just show the cat.
Fucking weirdos.
You're the fucking weirdo. Where's the fucking cat?
Fucking weird.
Yeah, it's facts, Roman. Nobody call the cops. No more cops.
Joker's weird, yo.
Where's the cat?
Joker's being weird.
You're fucking being weird. Where's the cat?
After I ring you around like you did that cat, I'm gonna write Joker on your fucking forehead.
Where's the cat, dog? Just show the cat.
You're fucking weirdo.
Show the cat.
He got me pacing right now, like.
Alright, Taylor, you wanna be a piece of shit scumbag?
Like he's gonna learn today. Nobody call no more cops. No more SPs, none of that. What are you trying to block people, Taylor? Fucking weirdo. Look at that face. Look at that face.